book lovers, I'm Simran and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pages with Simran. In this video, I'm going to suggest some amazing books that are perfect for beginners. So if you want to start your reading journey, then please watch this video till the very end. Uh, no, this video is not a review video, so I'm not going to talk about in detail about what I liked or did not. This is just a suggestion video where I'm going to suggest few books that I believe are great for beginners. And one more thing, I believe that thrillers and romance are two genres that are quite addictive and can really help you build your reading habit. So in this video, I'm going to mainly suggest books from these two genres. So let's start. My first suggestion is Dead Night by Nidhi Pathya, a creeping psychological thriller in her debut novel. So basically, the story is about four college friends, Natasha, Ria, Anjali, Catherine, who decide to play with a Ouija board one night and prank their hostel mate Sanya. But that one innocent prank gone terribly wrong when next morning Sanya is found dead. And girls make a pact to never speak about that night again. But their past refuses to stay buried. Fast forward 20 years, someone starts blackmailing them. They reunite to figure out what really happened, but believe me guys, truth is darker than you ever imagine. I believe this book is perfect for beginner because writing is simple and gradually building suspense keeps you turning pages. One more thing I really liked about this book was how well each character was written. So please pick this book. I can guarantee you that you will really like this book. My next suggestion is The Silent Patient. If you are a beginner and really into psychological thriller, then you should definitely pick this book. Because this book will keep you hooked from the very start. And trust me guys, twist in this book will blow your mind. The story follows Alicia, a famous painter who shoots her husband and then goes completely silent. She does not speak a word after the murder. And then a psychotherapist enters the picture named Theo who believes he is the one who can make her speak. I'll say this again. Twist in this book will blow your mind. Like literally मैं जब इस twist पर पहुंची मेरे को यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा था वो twist है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था या तो ये pirated copy है, इसमें कोई पेज गायब है या मैंने कोई सेंटेंस कोई चैप्टर मिस कर दिया है. मैं बार बार पीछे जा जाके पढ़ रही थी कि कुछ तो मैंने मिस कर दिया या फिर इसमें से कोई पेज तो गायब है. मैं सारे नंबर चेक कर रही थी कि सारे पेजेस हैं कि नहीं है. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा था. मैं गई गूगल पर, मैंने पहले गूगल पर सर्च किया, फिर मुझे जाकर यकीन हुआ अच्छा ये ट्विस्ट है, मैंने कुछ मिस नहीं किया है. Seriously. So please pick this book. This book is also perfect for beginners because writing is simple, chapters are short, and gradually building suspense keeps you turning pages. So please read this book. I think romance is a kind of genre that can make you addicted to reading. So if you're a beginner and don't know from where to start, I think you should pick a romance novel. So now I'm going to suggest few romance novels. Now I read period romance novels. I love Jane Austen, but I'm not going to suggest those books here. I will suggest few light romance novels that are easy to read and easy to relate in today's time. So let's start. So my next suggestion is Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. This story follows Avni, a quiet introverted girl who prefers fiction over real life complications like me. Her life shifts when she meets a charming stranger, Aman Raina. As the relationship unfolds, this book explores themes like trust, vulnerability, and healing from past trauma. This book is perfect for beginners because writing is simple and conversational, which makes this book easy to follow. And this book is perfect for those readers who want something warm but not overwhelming. So you can pick this book. And one more thing, don't keep your expectations too high. This is not like ultimate romance novel, but it's a simple love story. Sometimes cute, sometimes unrealistic, but a simple, easy to read love story. This book is written in very Gen Z style, so you can definitely relate to a lot of scenes in this book, and I think you will enjoy this book. And the guy in this book, Aman Raina, is really too good to be true. I mean, in the start, he's described as handsome, rich, blah blah blah, but that doesn't mean I like him. But then that part comes where he does not even drink. I mean, seriously, I mean, I know, कोई drink नहीं करता, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो too good to be true hai, but still, I can start liking him. Like, my next suggestion is Something I Never Told You by Shravya Binder. I really love this book and it's perfect for beginners because it starts on a very intense and emotional note that instantly pulls you in. And writing of this book is very simple. and emotionally engaging that makes this book perfect for beginners, especially young readers navigating love and relationship. So basically, this story follows Ronnie, a shy and middle class guy who has been in love with Adira, a confident and beautiful girl who once lived as a paying guest at his grandmother's house. As the relationship unfolds, this book explores themes like heartbreak, loss, second chances in love, and how sometimes we take people for granted. मैं लिटरली इसके दोनों पार्ट इस बुक के दोनों पार्ट 2 दिन में खत्म कर दिए थे. ये इतनी इमोशनली एंगेजिंग है. सो गाइस प्लीज पिक दिस बुक इफ यू आर बिगनर, एंड अगर आप बिगनर नहीं भी हैं तब भी आपको ये बुक पढ़कर मजा आएगा. So that's it for today's video. I hope these book suggestions help you kickstart your reading journey. And if you have any book recommendation for beginners, drop them below too. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy reading. Take care.